Oh, I forgot to wipe bloody visor. Ugh, it's probably dirty as hell. Same with your face. Is your face all dirty? Anyway, probably guess where I am. It's Old Plaque. And today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Because I'm not in leathers today. I'm in comfort gear. Quick little update video. Because I've just finished that monster of a project of mine. My 2014 year in review video. It was pretty massive. And yeah, so now I'm into bigger and better things. Probably not bigger, just better things. I don't want to do giant projects anymore. Yeah, it's just I reckon it's been a while since I've done this. This is more of an impromptu vlog because all my friends decided they'd rather stay in today, and I really don't blame them. Today doesn't look very healthy. And it's bloody cold. Why are the weekends cold? Now when I say cold, I mean it's about like 20 degrees. Oh, I'm such a baby. Oh, what have we got else to talk about? That wasn't English though, was it? What have we got to talk about? There we go, that's English. Yeah, so I've got one more video before I what is it? I've got one video before I start my the touring video where I went to Phillip Island. Now, I will say about this touring video, the first half of it, the lens fogged up because it was fucking cold, like proper cold. Not this cold, like actual cold for everyone. When we went up to, what is it, Jindabyne, it was about minus 2 degrees or something like that, which is actual really cold, and it did not help that we went from about 30 degrees in the room to about 7 degrees outside before we went up the mountain. And then when we got up to the path there, there's ice and everything. It's beautiful, but due to technological restraints, i.e. the lens fogging up, you may not be able to see as much of it as I hoped. And bits and pieces everywhere else were bloody cold as well, so anyway, yeah. Now this video, I don't really want to talk about it because it was a bit sketch. So I rode my friend's bike, and let's just say the speeds we were doing did not help us. And at a really straight section of road, at the end of this particular road, we decided to get a bit overzealous, I'd like to say. We turned ourselves in to the cop that was standing there with the gun. Thankfully he did not book my friend who was at the front. Faithful Mr. Sherman, thank you for not pulling out on me. Take it up to the max, unlike me. What was that? Oh yeah, hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm actually vlogging as well. Oh, awesome. Yeah, you'll go on video. Cool. Oh my god. First time I've been spotted on the road. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, first time I've been spotted like that. That's random. Ah, that is so random. Oh, I have no idea what I was talking about, but good on you, mate, for stopping and saying hi. That's weird. The size of the grin on my face. Oh, I look like the Cheshire Cat. Thank you, good sir, for making my day. Yeah, I have no idea what I was talking about. No, I was talking about riding my friend's bike, yeah. So, this friend was German, and I'm sure you can tell where I'm going with this. He may have put a teaser on his channel already, I think. Yeah. Because he was riding my bike. I don't know, yeah. That's as much as I'd like to say about it. But I've been meaning to put that video up for such a long time. I just haven't gotten around to it. And I think there's a thing called the Statute of Limitations that I'd like to work with. You know, just so that the cop doesn't, you know, get in trouble for letting us off. And I'll probably blur his face out. Because that's, you know, the cop is doing a nice thing. He's teaching us a lesson to be slow and safe. I mean slow, relatively speaking, not blindingly fast. Yeah. Way to turn that into a positive. Try to hang off with like literally no lean angle. Yeah, boy. That's the way to go. Just make some random noises. Ooh, tier 7. Oh, that was a bit sketchy. Yeah. Anyway, I've talked about my trip to Phillip Island. Talked about that, and as well, I'd like to go back to that. I'm being a bit ADD right now, jumping all over the place, but. The stuff when I was doing on that I was getting like extremely tired at some point, and so I stopped bothering to change batteries and memory cards because I really could not be arsed after about 10 hours of riding a day. And we were making such appalling time. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I suppose. I don't know what else there is to say. I've still got heaps of videos in my thing. There's rides when we went to Putty Road, that was a bit sketchy. There was that Macquarie Pass one that we did. I don't think I was vlogging then as well. Yes, Hielfiko. Yes. I've got a special vlog. It's gonna involve a couple people. Hopefully we can get Twitchell in this. We're going to be recording it next week sometime, I think. Maybe. We'll see. Because we're currently going for the Black Dog ride next week in Newcastle. Oh, not Newcastle. Where is it? I don't know. But I'll link it in the description below if you want to join us. For the Sydney guys, you have to travel about an hour and a half north up to the entrance, and about 5 o'clock in the morning, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, because you got to get to the entrance at about 6, because that's when the ride starts on a Sunday. So, you know, no sleep then. Yeah, so Black Dog ride, gonna go there, meet up with, who we're gonna meet up with? Let's bring the list out. We've got myself, because, you know, I am the most important. Where the fuck was I going with that? I am not the most important person there. No. The most important, I think, is Bundy, the dog there. Pretty sure that dog is turning up. If that dog's not turning up, I'm going to be very sad. yeah, there's the dog. Bundy the dog is going to be the most important thing there. And about 500 to 1,000 other people, I suppose. This is the most dyslexic vlog I've done in a very long time. No offense to any dyslexic people, because, you know, you've got it tough. Oh shit. I'm just an idiot. Black Dog Ride, that's it. Fucking hell, I want to finish that. This is the last thing I'm going to talk about this. So next Sunday we're going to do that. Alright, there's going to be me, there's going to be Twitchell, there's going to be 2B1 on roadie, there's going to be Jack the Mus, there's going to be Max Booze. We're all going to be there. Join us, registration is free. I'll leave the link in the description below. And come say hi. There's a map on there so you know where we'll be at certain points in times. You know, all that sort of good stuff. Even if you don't want to join for the full ride, or even at the start of the ride, because that's fucked, that area. Entrance at that time is going to be pretty fucking gnarly. But, you know. Yeah, anyway, that's that. I'll probably go say hi to those photographers. And then rest, because my body is not enjoying this one bit. No way. I don't know what the fuck happened between last night and today. My body is just all stiff and solid and joints are fucked. Ah! I think what I'll do is I'll go stand where the photographers are, put some film on, and then see what we can get, eh? That might work. I think I'm recording in 1080-60 right now, so we might be able to get some slow motion. I also need a rear facing camera because I'm doing all these fucking hand gestures like as if I'm operating what's that stupid shit called? Hand gesture thingy. There's this weird technology, I don't know, I read a while back, where you can like control your TV or something with hand gestures. I don't know if that's a thing. I should probably know about this. But yeah, so I'm doing all that sort of stuff as if I'm controlling the bike, and the bike's completely analog. I don't think there's many digital things on there besides like the rev counter or something.